Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is my Twinkle Star. That's right, I said Twinkle Star, like twinkle twinkle little star. I call it a snow foam cannon. I think they call it a lance. Anyway, I bought it on Amazon and I want to show you how it works. You do need a pressure washer for this. I'm not doing a video on a pressure washer. That's my one that I use. I've had 2 or 3 of them. Maybe I'll do another video on pressure washers. But anyway, so what I use is that snow foam cannon, a brush, and a wiper, some towels, and because I'm not 7 feet tall, I use this ladder to get up on top of it. That is my dirty Suburban. And I just fixed the horn on it yesterday. There's another video on the horn. You can find it, Froggy's Garage. But now I feel like I should clean it because I fixed the horn. Anyway, because it's dirty. So let's fire this cannon up. I'll show you how it works. So there's not that much to it. It's a simple tool. I like simple tools. There's a trigger. There's a bottle where you put the soap. Right now I've got 50% Meguiar's and 50% Dawn. Usually I only use Dawn dishwashing detergent if I want to strip wax, but there's not a lot of wax left on this car and I was running short on the Meguiar's, so I mixed them together so I'd have enough. That should be enough to do the car, the truck. There's an adjustment for right on the front here. You see that little long twisty thing? That's for the shape of the spray, and the adjustment on the top is for how much soap it sucks up. And you don't want to suck up too much soap because it'll go through that soap real fast. And good car wash soap is not cheap. Let me show you. Okay, I set up my tripod because I need 2 hands to operate this, and this should work out better. So I've got power on, water on, and I've got this connected. It's pressurized. Pull the trigger. This is the shape. See the shape of the spray. I like it about there. This controls the soap. That's a lot of soap. No, that's a lot of soap. And I turn it counterclockwise, and it goes to almost no soap at all. See? I hope this is getting on video. So you want to crank on, look at the windshield. There, you see the soap is start to appear? You don't have that much soap. You can go like way crazy with the soap, but you're just blowing through the soap. It's not going to get any cleaner. So adjust it. Alright, I'm just going to check the camera and make sure this is in frame. Be right back. Well, alright, that worked out pretty good. So let's just hose this truck down. That's plenty of soap. So you can see how much soap I used. Maybe an inch. I don't know how many ounces that is, but that's covered pretty good. You want to kind of work fast because I got a little bit of sun on the back of the truck. And when I'm washing something else like my Corvettes, I wash them pretty often, so I don't even have to do this. But this truck is dirty. What gets the dirtiest is the hood, the front, where all the traffic dirt is hitting you. The hood, the top, and the back, because in the back the wind whips all that, it whips all that dust and dirt around as you're driving. It whips it on and it deposits on the back of the truck. Trash day, so you're going to see my trash truck come by. Notice I didn't do the wheels because I don't want the same brush that's touching the body to touch the wheels. There's too much of a chance of cross-contamination. So this is a real quickie. I'm done there. I didn't do a whole lot on the top, so feel free to comment on that. Now I'm gonna switch to a rinse. Just pull that back. I'm going to switch to a rinse nozzle. This is a rinse nozzle that came with the pressure washer. All right. Don't get too close to your paint when you're using a pressure washer. If you get this close, that'll really damage your paint. It would damage your finger too. You know what I mean? But if you're out about a couple of feet or so, it's alright. It's pretty gentle. You can tell the water is not beating up, right? There's no wax on that. Now I use a scraper. I'm going to speed this up because I don't want to bore you guys and gals with my whole washing thing. I use a scraper. Again, on the Corvettes, I don't use the brush or the scraper. I just go, I use some air from my air compressor to blow off the water, and then I go right to microfiber towels. So that's the scraper. Always put the blade facing up. And then I go to plain white towel. So you can tell I've protected this paint. It looks pretty good. This is a 2002 truck. So that paint is pretty good. I just wanted to show you, mostly I wanted to show you this Twinkle Star. You can pay like $100 for these soap cannon blaster things. This is 25 bucks on Amazon. I've been using it for a couple of years. I bought it, I paid for it, they didn't give it to me, and I like this. So I'll put a link to it in my video. If you want to go and get one, there you are. Make it easy. Be safe, have fun. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy, and see you later. Froggy out. Bye-bye. See you guys and gals. Well, I'll give you one last shot. I did hit this with Mother's Quick Instant Detailer, which is no substitute for wax, of course, but it's a quick detailer, and that's how it came out. Sorry, truck, that I let you get so dirty. But looking pretty good. See you later, Froggy out.